Hello, this is Krisha. Welcome to my channel. Today I just want to go over this little art kit that I have put together. I keep this in my living room for if I'm sitting on the couch watching TV or whatever, and I can glue and collage and paint and stuff like that. So, and I can also take this with me to the coffee shop, to the park, anything like that. So, first of all, this is like a little credit card holder that you can glue or stick to the back of your phone. I don't know where it came from, but I put it in here and I stuck my little stamps in there. So there's that. And then here's another little stamp. And then in here, I've got wet wipes. And what I'm actually making this video for is Tiffany from Southern Gale Designs. She's been doing little segments, hotel art while she's out of town for work. She's staying at a hotel and she has a little art kit put together, and she's been making little videos just with a little art and chat, little art journaling and chatting. And the subject of like little containers came up the other night. And so I wanted to share these little containers that are perfect for white gesso. So it's a twist top. What it is those little, I think it's like 10-piece Advil, ibuprofen, Tylenol things that you see at like a gas station or in the impulse section at a store while you're waiting in line. And so, you know, once you're done with your aspirin or your Advil or whatever, then just save these, wash them out, and then you can put a little bit of heavy gesso in there. And if I'm out and I don't want to get my hands dirty, I'll just use a palette knife, a plastic palette knife that I keep in here, and I can take that out and just, here's an example. I got a little on this palette knife, and I can just smear it around like that without even getting my fingers dirty. Or if I want to smear my fingers in the paint, I can also do that because I do have wet wipes. And then I can also wipe this off on a paper towel or a wet wipe. So that's a really cool way to incorporate acrylic while you're out and about, so that you don't only have to use, you know, colored pencils and watercolors, which here are my little teeny tiny little watercolors. I have a video on all of these kits and my little itty bitty watercolors and stuff. But, okay, so here I'm also going to show you. So this one I labeled, it's heavy white gesso. This one here is barrier hand cream. So I put this on before I paint, especially if I'm going to be smearing paint with my fingers, because it protects your hands, helps it wash off easier. And then I've got clear gesso. And again, these are all Advil containers. And then I found this. This was a 3-pack of these little glass bottles at the Dollar Tree over by like the arts and crafts section. And so I put some Titan Mars Pale in here, and it's one of my favorite colors. So yeah, and look how perfect they fit in here. And my little mini Oohoo glue stick. So I just put all of these in here, and then I've got Caran d'Ache Neocolor 2 water soluble crayon. Well, I've got a couple of them. I've got a little spray mister, water mister, my water brush, so I don't have to worry about any kind of cleanup, and a bunch of teeny tiny stamps. This one is one I made, and then some other ones. I've got a little envelope down there with some ephemera stuff, more stamps. One of my little itty bitty mini inks. I already showed you this. And yeah, I've always got my eyes open for little mini stuff to take in these little kits, because I love creating wherever I am, wherever I get the chance. I love taking a kit when I go camping, to the coffee shop, picnic, whatever I can think of. And I even have teenier, tinier kits that I put together in a fanny pack, which would be something like this, and a teeny tiny art journal. So we would have the watercolors, the water brush, and the book. And all of that would fit in like a belt bag fanny pack. But anyway, yeah, I just wanted to share this with Tiffany and all you other art journalers, mixed media people out there who like to do art on the go. And I hope you enjoyed this. And thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.